Jiangsu TX Plastic Optical Fibers Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating independent research and development, design, producing and sales of audio and video peripheral products. Our main products include plastic optical fiber cable, digital accessories, computer and TV cables, cables for musical instruments, wireless products, car wireless charger, and so on. Taking the pursuit of user experience as the starting point, we takes less is more as its design concept, keeps up with the market trend, and develops a series of unique and differentiated products with unique style and customer recognition. Our company will be devoted to enhance product quality and provide good services constantly to better meet the various needs of customers at domestic and abroad. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. In the process of development, our company devotes itself to the construction of talent team and has introduced enthusiastic, experienced, and thoughtful elites to join in, forming a new era talent team with global vision. We are determined to provide high quality, reasonable price, and lifelong after-sales service to global customers. In the future development, we will focus on customer demand, expand sales channels, establish online and offline brand flagship stores, develop overseas markets as the main line of development, and build a global leading brand technology manufacturer in the target market. We sincerely welcome your cooperation and look forward to building business relationship with you.